Good morning friends. Today we are learning RMS meter or true RMS voltmeters. True RMS voltmeter in which input is connected to one thermocouple and output is taken between across the bridge. As we are connecting one thermocouple for input measurement, there should be another balanced thermocouple, then only there will be actual balancing will happen. Thermocouple is generating based upon heat, it will generate electricity. So thermocouple is generating heat according to input apply. If applied input is 1, corresponding heat is generated, and heat is nothing but RMS value of the voltage or power. Heat is a RMS value. RMS, it is not a peak value or it is also not a average value. It is root mean square value of the voltage, and that's why thermocouple is preferred for under the bridge. There, and in this particular figure you will find measuring thermocouple, another one is balancing thermocouple, and under DC amplifier there are 2 resistors and it provides unbalanced DC output to a indicating meter. Indicating meter may be a galvanometer or D'Arsonval meter. Understand that there are such type of bridge and a meter, a galvanometer. Here you will find one thermocouple, measuring thermocouple. We are applying input to this thermocouple. Input over here, input. Another thermocouple may be there. This is balancing thermocouple, and this is R. This is also R. Output is measured over here. This is indicator. So this is what the output measurement is. According to input applied, this AC input voltage, AC amplifier amplifies this signal and it is provided to measuring thermocouple. This measuring thermocouple is initially balanced. As it is initially balanced, indicating meter was showing only 0, or it is balanced at the 0th position. Its needle was showing only 0th position. Now due to this AC input voltage, measuring thermocouple is unbalanced. It gives more RMS output, and as it is unbalanced, bridge is unbalanced, it is transferred to DC amplifier and indicating meter will deflect its needle. As needle is deflected, needle will deflect according to RMS value of the input signal. Few portion of it indicating meter is fed back to the balancing thermocouple, so that balancing thermocouple will generate certain voltage which is a balanced voltage, and above this balanced input is measured. So this is a true RMS measurement. We will learn next part in the next lecture. Thank you. The question on will be draw and explain true RMS voltmeter circuit. In this you have to draw this circuit and explain each and every part. Feedback current is a feedback voltage that is provided for unbalanced balancing thermocouple. Keep in mind that both thermocouples are connected in a bridge, and DC amplifier along with bridge balancing takes place. We will learn next part in the next lecture. Thank you.